In the big picture of the animal world, there's one special creature that's really big, smart, and has a complicated social life: the elephant. Come with us on a cool adventure as we explore surprising facts that make these kind giants not just amazing, but really special. Let's start the journey of elephant facts. It takes a female 22 months from conception to have a baby. This is longer than any other animal in the world. A newborn elephant can stand up shortly after being born. They can weigh up to 260 pounds. The average lifespan for an elephant in the wild is from 50 to 70 years. The oldest known elephant in the world lived to be 82 years of age. The heaviest elephant in the world weighed 26,000 pounds. It is only a myth that elephants are afraid of mice. Movies such as Dumbo and pretty much any cartoon containing an elephant have perpetuated this myth for many decades. The trunk of an elephant has more than 150,000 muscles and tendons in it. Elephants have an excellent sense of smell and hearing but poor eyesight. Generally, one tusk will be shorter than the other. This is because the elephant will use it more often for things. Just like people are either right or left-handed, it is believed that these animals rely upon a dominant tusk. The tusks of an elephant can weigh up to 200 pounds and can grow up to 10 feet in length. At 11 pounds, the elephant has a brain that is larger than any other animal in the world. For up to 16 hours a day, elephants can be found feeding on a variety of plant life. They can consume from 300 to 600 pounds of food every single day. Baby elephants are blind at birth and rely upon their trunks and their mothers to help them. Most elephants in zoos, working, and in the circus are females, as they seem to be easier to control. Females can continue to have offspring until they are about 50 years old. They tend to have a new baby every 2.5 to 4 years. Twins are extremely rare for elephants. Elephants can hold up to 4 gallons of water in their trunks at one time. The back part of the elephant's ears is called its knuckles, and it's known as the softest part of their body. There are only 3 species of elephants: the African savanna elephant, African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. African elephants have large ears shaped like the continent of Africa. African elephants are usually around 10 feet tall, weighing 8,000 to 16,000 pounds. Asian elephants are slightly smaller, around 9 feet tall and weighing 6,000 to 13,000 pounds. When elephants greet each other, they twine their trunks together. African elephants can weigh up to 14,000 pounds, which is about the weight of 3 cars. An elephant's heart weighs between 27 and 46 pounds. Elephants can run up to 25 miles per hour, which is amazing for such a large creature. Elephants drink up to 160 liters of water a day. Elephants eat up to 50 tons of food each year. Elephants are able to hear sound waves way below the human hearing range, as they can hear sounds as low as 9 Hz. Elephants will throw mud and sand over themselves to protect themselves from the hot sun. Elephants dig water holes and create footpaths for themselves. Female elephants can have babies until they are in their 50s. Baby elephants usually weigh around 48 pounds. Elephants only sleep for 2 to 3 hours a day. Asian elephants have 1 more toenail on each foot than African elephants. Asian elephants have smaller tusks than African elephants. Elephants' eyelashes are pretty long. In fact, they can measure up to 5 inches in length. Elephants' life expectancy is 60 to 70 years old. The oldest elephant to live was an Asian elephant named Lin Wang that died at 86 years old. Elephants show similar emotions like humans do. If a member of their herd dies, they show sadness and grieve the loss of their family members long after they have passed away. An elephant's tusk can weigh up to 22 pounds each. An elephant's tusks continues to grow throughout their life. An adult male's tusk grows about 7 inches each year. Elephants wave their trunks to help them smell better. Elephants are able to identify themselves in a mirror. The most expensive coffee brands in the world make coffee from the droppings of Thai elephants. Elephants are actually very terrified of bees. Elephants use their ears to radiate excess heat away from their bodies. An elephant's trunk is sensitive enough to pick up a blade of grass but strong enough to rip branches off a tree. The word elephant comes from the Greek word elephas, which means ivory. Elephants don't like peanuts. Male elephants usually leave the matriarch group when they are 12 to 15. But not all male elephants are loners. Elephants can detect sounds with their feet. They can detect deep-pitched sounds that vibrate through the ground. African elephants can detect water sources from up to 12 miles away. Elephants take regular mud baths to protect their skin from the hot sun and insect bites. Elephants sometimes comfort their distressed friends by stroking them with their trunks. Elephants usually do not have any predators besides lions that will attack elephants sometimes, if they are young or weak. Elephants' brains have more complex folds than other animals, which makes them one of the most intelligent animals on the planet. An elephant in a zoo in Korea has learned to mimic commands zookeepers gave it, and it has learned 8 words and their context. Male elephants court female elephants by using rituals involving different affectionate gestures and nuzzles. Once a baby is born, mothers will have several babysitters to take care of the calf so she has time to eat and produce enough milk for her baby. If an elephant herd comes across a lone elephant who has died, they will still grieve or show respects to it. Elephants sleep standing up. Female and male African elephants have tusks, but only the male Asian elephants have tusks. Elephants breathe through their trunks 80% of the time. Elephants' sweat glands are between their toenails. Asian elephants have fairly smooth skin. African elephants have darker, wrinkled skin. When an elephant loses their last set of molars, they will eventually die because they cannot eat. Elephants can lift up to 770 pounds with their trunk. Some elephants can swim for 6 hours without rest. Elephants have fingers on the end of their trunks. Elephants can hear each other's calls from 5 miles away. Elephants become fully independent by age 8. Male elephants usually take no responsibility in raising their young ones. There are 8 major muscles on each side of an elephant's trunk. Herds of African elephants roam through 37 different countries in the continent. Herds of elephants may contain up to 100 family members. We hope you enjoyed our list of the facts about elephants. If you have any other cool or interesting elephant facts, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching.